In the drive to claim oneself, there are things, houses, people along the way. Say hi to people, get to know people, feel lost, feel confused, be an explorer in that way. What does it mean to make in this world? What are the important things to say? How do you say it? How do you make discoveries? Is it still possible to get lost?
Find that when you are a member of any institution, you become part of its creation.
I think I'll be writing about water till the day I die, because it is, for me, the heart of everything. There is such danger, I've come to know, in conflating the sort of circumstances of your life with who you are.
There's so much pressure to spectacularize who and what you are. A photo or an image is a fixed thing, right? And we're breathing people.